Alright, so we're just going to do a little bit more housekeeping. So these are just some good things that we can do to speed up our website and also just clean it up a bit, because it's a lot to look at sometimes. So firstly, I would just recommend you go through and you click these just to close them up. That looks a lot nicer. Then what we're going to also do is we're going to go into settings and down to a thing called permalinks. Now, by default, it is on a thing called a custom name structure of post name, month, day. Now, if you're sitting there confused, basically what this means is that when you make posts in the future for your website, it's going to have a structure up in the URL up here of, it would have whatever you've called your post, and then it will have the month you put it up, and then it would have the day. Now, you don't really ever see many websites having that, and this is just not a good thing to have, because it confuses the Google Search Console, which is what's used to help rank your website. And when you have something like that, it can severely affect your ranking on Google, which means less traffic to your website, really. So what you want to do is go to here and click post name, and now it'll just do whatever you call your post will be at the end there, which is a lot nicer looking, and it's much better for the Google Search Console. Alright, so once that's done, you're going to scroll down and you're going to make sure you hit save changes. You're going to wait for that to go, and all good. Change it, saved. Now, we're going to go into the plugins section and open that up, because what you'll find is it is flooded with all this, I'll call it bloatware, bloat plugins that just aren't needed. So we're going to go to Akismet. We don't need that one. And we're going to go to Google Analytics. Check that. Hello Dolly. Jetpack, it's not needed. Mojo. And Optin, it's yet again not needed. And I'll show you a much better contact form to have, so you can uncheck that. So you're going to click all of them, and you're going to hit bulk actions, and you are going to hit delete. So, and then you can hit apply, and it's going to remove all those. And so, are you sure you want to get rid of them? Yes, you do. So you're just going to let it go through and do its business. I'm going to show you some much better plugins that we're going to be able to install, so just wait there while it does it all for us. Oh, okay, so it's asking me to deactivate it first and then delete it, so that's annoying. Okay, so you hit that and delete. Okay. Alright, let's just do this. Click up there and it ticks all of them, and you're just going to go delete now that they're deactivated. Hit that. And okay, it should be deleting it. Yes, I do want to delete them, please. Okay, so we have to go through individually. So you want to hit that. Get rid of that. We don't need it. And we don't need this one. I don't even know what it is, to be honest. So you're going to get rid of that and hit OK. And I'm going to show you guys how we can get. I'm going to give you some much better plugins than what initially comes with it. So finally hit delete there. Okay, so now that we've done all our housekeeping, everything's good, cleaned up. Let's go on to installing our theme.